This is for the people that will be thinking about something and not even say it. Look at their phone and what they were thinking about shows up on their phone. This is the patent for system and method for enhancing content using brain state data. The information over here says the current assignee is Interaxon Incorporated, worldwide applications, and it is active, which means it's in use right now. How is this possible? Biosensors for brainwave data. Brainwave sensor. Abstract. A computer system or method may be provided for modulating content based on a person's brainwave data, including modifying presentation of digital content at least one computing device. The content may also be modulated based on a set of rules maintained by or accessible to the computer system. The content may also be modulated based on user input, including through receipt of a presentation control command that may be processed by the computer system of the present invention to modify presentation of content. Content may also be shared with associated brain state information. Classifications: detecting physical presence or behavior of the user. Example given: using sensors to detect if the user is leaving the room or changes his face expression during a TV program. Input-only peripherals, i.e. input devices connected to specially adapted client devices. Example given: global positioning system biosensors. Example given: heat sensor for presence detection. Electroencephalography sensors or any limb activity sensors worn by the user. Monitoring a patient using a global network. Example given: telephone networks, internet. Evaluating the state of mind. Example given: depression, anxiety. Electroencephalography, EEG, input arrangements based on nervous system activity detection. Example given: brainwave, EEG detection. Electromyograms, EMG detection. Electrodermal response detection. ICT, specially adapted for the management or administration of healthcare resources or facilities. ICT, specially adapted for the management or operation of medical equipment or devices, for the operation of medical equipment or devices from remote operation. Synchronizing the rendering of multiple content streams or additional data on devices. Example given: synchronization of audio on a mobile phone with the video output on the TV screen. Like, check it, just look at these. Monitoring of content usage. Yeah, pretty crazy stuff. Go ahead and pause and read these if you'd like. Cross-reference to related applications in the field of invention. The present invention relates to biosignal collection methods and systems that utilize biosignal data. This invention relates more particularly to visualization tools and methods. Background of the invention: biosignals are signals that are generated by biological beings that can be measured and monitored. Electroencephalographs, galvanometers, and electrocardiographs are examples of devices that are used to measure and monitor biosignals generated by humans. A human brain generates biosignals such as electrical patterns, which may be measured or monitored using an electroencephalogram, EEG. These electrical patterns or brainwaves are measured by devices such as EEG. Typically, an EEG will measure brainwaves in an analog form. Then, these brainwaves may be analyzed either in their original analog form or in a digital form after an analog to digital conversion. Measuring and analyzing biosignals such as brainwave patterns can have a variety of practical applications. For example, brain-computer interfaces have been developed that allows users to control devices and computers using brainwave signals. Various platforms exist for creating or capturing content and communicating this content either to the creator or the creator's audience. There's a need to improve the evocative nature or engaging nature of communication platforms and methods. This invention can determine your brain state in real time. And as this is happening, they can modify the content in real time. All of these things are in real time. If you want to pause, you can read that. Real-time advertising bidding is talking about rendering the content in real time. The audience watching the video may be also rendered around the video frame in real time. Crazy stuff. As you can see right here, it says the digital content presented may include live audio or video content. You can read all this. Pause. Use live brainwave algorithms. You can pause and read this. This is just crazy. Here is a good example. In a non-limiting example, educational or learning content may be provided by the computer system of the present invention, where the presentation of the content is modified based on the level of concentration or focus or other brain state experienced by the user, determined as described. Similarly, in another example, a feed of web-based content, example given a live or pre-recorded feed, may be changed based on user's brain state. You can pause and read more if you would like. Emo state editor, brain state, emo state. Like, just pause and actually just click the link that I provide and check it out. Let's look at some of these cited by. Patent citations. As I scroll through, you can pause to read. We have universal integration and interaction of multiple technologies in the human signals method. Crazy. 391 cited by. Face recognition control and social networking. Yeah, you guys are going to have to click it, look it up. Alright. You guys have a good one. I'm not going to scroll through all of them, but just click it, look it up.